Hey guys, how's it going? So right now I'm in my bathroom. I'm going to show you how to install these command hooks. So really simple thing. Some people know how to do it. It's very self-explanatory. I'll show you just so you can see it live. All right, let's check it out. All right, so this is the Command brand. This one could hold 4 pounds. We're gonna use it to hang our loofahs and stuff on it. This is designed for wet areas. You can see it's water resistant and it says bath right here. So that's how you know for sure that you can use it in the bathroom. Obviously there has to be some type of difference in the adhesive that they use for the non-water resistant one, but this is water resistant. It has a nice stainless steel look. I'm gonna go ahead and mount it to the wall. It's not gonna require any tools. All it's gonna be is that double-sided tape basically that they have on there. I'm gonna open up the package and go on from there. All right, so this is the actual hook out of the package. These are 2 things you get in the package, really simple. Obviously your hanger and the sticky part. When I took it out of the package, it was just this thing. It was like this, and this was just on the back, basically like that. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this part here, then I'll mount it to the wall. Prior to you mounting it to the wall, be sure you clean that section with rubbing alcohol to clean off any potential contaminants. According to the instructions, I gotta remove this blue liner here. And then we're gonna mount it back here. So you see this plastic piece here? We're gonna mount it right there. So that's how that goes. The next step is mount this to the wall, and then we'll slide this off. So it shows right here. Then we're gonna remove this paper here, and we're gonna go ahead and mount it to the wall. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount this to the wall here. Make sure that this is facing down. This tab is facing inward. Okay, before I kind of put upside down, I wasn't paying attention. This has already been cleaned. Probably gonna put it about here. And that slides up. Make sure it's straight, and you go ahead and push down on it real good just to make sure that everything's nice and tight. When you guys are ready to remove this, you take the cover off, pull this tab, and then this would release from the wall. So just remember, this needs to be on the inside of this here. If you have it the right way, put it on and then it slides right on. And that's it. Really simple, guys. Not hard at all to hang these. Great invention. All you gotta do is stick it, remove it when you don't want it anymore.